What is meeting minutes? Let's talk about it. Meeting minutes are the official written records of what occurred during a meeting. They typically include details such as the date and time of the meeting, the names of attendees, the topics discussed, decisions made, action items assigned, and any follow-up tasks. Meeting minutes serve as a reference for attendees and anyone who was not present, ensuring that everyone is informed about what was discussed and agreed upon. For example, after the meeting, Anna sent out the meeting minutes to all participants so they could review the action items and decisions made. It's important to keep accurate meeting minutes to ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding the project's progress and next steps. The word minutes in the context of meetings has an interesting origin that dates back to the Latin word minuta, which means small or detailed. Think about it. When you take notes during a meeting, you're often jotting down the small details of what was discussed. Hence, the name. Originally, the term referred to small, concise records of discussions or decisions. In a way, meeting minutes are like the tiny footprints left behind after a big event, capturing the essence of what happened without getting lost in a mountain of words. Imagine a medieval knight attending a council meeting. Instead of writing down every single thing said, the scribe would create a brief summary of the key points. Those were the minutes of the meeting. Fast forward to today, and while we no longer have knights and scribes, we still rely on these detailed little notes to remember what was discussed, ensuring that nothing important slips through the cracks. So, when you hear meeting minutes, think of it as a snapshot of the conversation, a way to preserve the important details of a gathering in a concise format. It's like having a treasure map of ideas and decisions that can guide the team long after the meeting has ended. Let's practice using this word in a conversation. Hey John, are you ready for our meeting this afternoon about the new marketing campaign? Yes, I've been reviewing our progress. I think we should discuss the performance of our recent social media ads during the meeting. Absolutely. It's important for all the attendees to understand the engagement rates should we bring some data to present. Definitely. I'll prepare the analytics report. We should also summarize the feedback we receive from the focus group for the participants. That's a great point. Their insights could help us adjust our strategy. We need to think about potential improvements. I agree. I believe we should consider increasing our budget for influencer partnerships. They had a positive impact on our last campaign. Good idea. Let's add that to the agenda. Also, who will take the meeting minutes? We need someone to document the discussion and action items. I can handle the meeting minutes. I'll make sure to capture the key points and any follow-up tasks we decide on. Perfect. Let's also allocate time to discuss our next steps after this meeting. We need a clear plan moving forward. Yes, and we should assign responsibilities to each team member for the tasks we decide on. That will help us stay organized. Exactly. I'll see you in the meeting, ready to share our ideas with the participants. In addition, the term minutes can also refer to official records of legal proceedings or trials. In this context, minutes document important details such as witness testimonies, rulings made by the judge, and motions presented during the hearing. These records are essential for ensuring transparency and serve as a reference for future legal actions or appeals. For instance, the minutes from a court session provide a precise account of what transpired, helping lawyers prepare their cases. For example, The minutes from the court hearing documented every witness testimony and the judge's rulings, ensuring an accurate record of the proceedings for future reference. During the trial, the lawyer requested a copy of the minutes to review the details of the arguments presented by both sides before preparing the closing statement. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it and have a better understanding of minutes. Bye for now.